Hello, everyone. I hope you're okay. Sorry for the delay for the forecast. Starting with Forex Factory, there's no heavy impact news for the gold or even medium impact for the US dollars and hence for the gold. Right, going on to the monthly chart of gold. Let's see what's happening. And it's end of the month to the last month, working day of the month and first day of the week. See how the market will react. Looks like this month will go down as well, but looking at the major area, this is the major area. This is a major area of support. And that's for monthly and weekly. We have this area which we already have been tested. This area. Going on to daily. We can see that this is a strong level in daily. And 1, 2, and maybe liquidity sweep from here, testing this level, and we can see the market going to the upside. But let's see. But that's one option. So that's for the week, daily and weekly. And now going on to 4-hour chart, you know that in daily as well as weekly, we are in bearish mood. And currently, this area has been tested, and market is coming down, and this area has been tested. Next level to be tested is this around this area. So it's possible this area will break and market may come to the downside. However, if this is broken, then we can expect sell from here. In 1 hour, we have the situation. So let me delete all this, and for day traders especially, this was a level here. And we did see sell from here just before this level. And now, most likely this will be broken, this area. However, if it doesn't, the next sell area will be this. And from here, possible buy. And now should be coming down and to the level around this level here. 230 level. This is 3,300 level, and now this is 3,315. So let's see. We always go to smaller time frame and see 1 hour, 15 minutes, how the prices are evolving. And if you put RSI, we had a divergence here at the daily level here. So we had a good buy trade from here, giving us almost 500 pips. Amazing. So that's it. I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. You have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye.